I chose martial arts as my favorite activity because it makes me feel more confident about myself and gives me more guidelines on how to discipline myself. Martial arts also helps me get healthier and smarter. In order to be successful in martial arts, I have to practice harder and keep up with the daily practice and the schedule too. In competitions, I would like to be in first place. Every time I practice, I tell myself that I'm getting ready for competition. Since I spend a lot of time on practicing martial arts, my physical tends to be more active. Practicing martial arts makes me more energetic, so when I have energy, my mind is more alert. My thinking becomes more brighter and I don't often feel tired or depressed. Since I took martial arts, I have been using this in my daily life. I become more friendly with my friends and more close to my cousins. I also create more healthy habits when I eat my meal. The discipline and confidence I learn from martial arts helps me to get ready for higher education. To me, a black belt means that the person has to work hard physically. He or she has to start from the bottom to the top. He has to start as a white belt and learn all the movements. He has to practice daily to become a better student so he can pass the test to become a higher belt. I chose my family for the most important thing in my life because I love them. I always remember FFFF because it means Family First, Foundation Forever. When I have my family, I feel safe and more protected.